The new anti-drone rifle, Drone-Off, is capable of jamming drone signals within a radius of up to 2.5 kilometers. Drones are increasingly being used for military purposes, ranging from surveillance and reconnaissance to the destruction of enemy equipment and manpower both on the battlefield and in the rear. The need to neutralize these devices has become very urgent. Iredal Beograd has developed and introduced a new anti-drone rifle, Drone-Off. It is capable of jamming drone signals within a radius of up to 2.5 kilometers. The Drone-Off rifle is designed to jam communications between a drone and its operator and offers an effective solution to counter potential threats posed by drones. The rifle operates in the frequency ranges 1164 to 1610 MHz for GPS L1/L2 and GLONASS, as well as 2400 to 2500 MHz and 5700 to 5850 MHz for remote control and video transmission. With a transmission power of 78 W, it is capable of jamming drone signals within a radius of up to 2.5 kilometers. The rifle weighs 3 kilograms, while the backpack associated with it weighs 10 kilograms. It uses sweep/multi-sweep jamming signals and is equipped with 12 dBit gain and 42 degrees helical antennas. The rifle can operate in temperature conditions from -25 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius, and is powered by a battery with a battery status indicator. Drone-Off stands out for its portability and high transmission power, making it a viable option for a variety of scenarios. The importance of this type of weaponry is especially evident in conflict zones such as Ukraine. Drones are often used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and to drop munitions. The ability to neutralize these drones provides a significant tactical advantage.